In this playlist of most common cases in physical therapy, the pathology we will discuss is the meniscus repair. In knee, there are two meniscus, medial meniscus and the lateral meniscus. Medial meniscus is the most commonly injured meniscus. Meniscus repair is a surgical procedure to repair a torn meniscus via keyhole surgery. It is a surgical procedure. You can see this is the normal meniscus. This is a flap tear. In this there is a torn horn. This you can see. This is the buccal handle tear and this is the transverse tear. It is a minimally invasive procedure. Minimally invasive means a small cut. Factor affecting the success to repair meniscus are tear age, depend upon the tear age, location, pattern, age of the patient, as well as any associated injuries. Depending upon these factors, the meniscus repair is early or delayed. The treatment for this is the in stage 1, day 1 to 2 weeks. In the stage 1, range of motion, hinge splint locked at 0 degree, patellar mobilization. Strength, quad sets, SLR, straight leg raise without any weight, isometrics, hamstring and the ankle pumps. Isometric means when the muscle has same length and tension uh, tension is changed. Tension vary and the muscle length is same. Ankle pumping for the blood circulation. Weight bearing with brace locked in the full extension. Modalities we can use is the electromyography, biofeedback to hamstring and quads, EMS, cryotherapy, and sports activities prohibited. In the stage 1, these are the interventions we can use. In the stage 2, 2 to 4 weeks, in this stage we can go for range of motion, hinge unlocked in this for active and passive range of motion, prone passive extension exercises. In case of strengthening, we go for quad and hamstring active isometrics at 45 degree with low resistance. It's stage 2, so we go for low resistance and gradual progression. SLR with brace removed for exercise only at 0 degree without any weight. We can go for weight bearing modalities as above. We use cryotherapy and EMS, and no sports activity allowed. In the stage 3, range of motion increase as tolerated by the patient. Strength, we go for strengthening exercises for quadriceps and hamstring with lightweight and gradual go for progression. Quadriceps 90 degree, 20 degree and hamstring 20 to 90 degree. We can use in the stage 3 the exercise progression slightly increase. Weight bearing 25% modalities we can use above, and there is no sports activity allowed. In this stage 3, 6 to 10 weeks, range of motion as above. We discuss strengthening exercises, weight bearing 50%, 75% by the 7th week, and 100% we can use in 8 to 9 weeks. Modalities and sports is as above. You can see modalities you can applied are cryotherapy and the sports activity not allowed. Stage 4, range of motion, as we discussed previously, strengthening exercises, there is no sports activity prohibited. And the stage 5, because it is a surgical procedure, so there is gradual increase of progression in the exercises. In the stage 5, 3 months and beyond, range of motion as above, strengthening as above, weight bearing, full weight bearing, sports activity you can see progress through graduated running programs such as functional rehabilitation programs, resume main sports if patient has obtained near full range of motion. We can go in sports activities, and at least patient should achieve 80% of quads and ham strength as compared to the other extremity, usually back to full sports by 4 to 5 months. This is the lecture. In this lecture we will discuss the meniscus repair and all its stages and its return to sports activities. I hope so you like this video. Thank you.